Welcome to Hunt the Vampires, your DIY guide to performing a home energy audit and saving money. We'll show you how to find and stop those hidden energy drains. A home energy audit is an inspection to identify where your home loses energy and where you waste money on inefficient devices. You can choose a professional inspection or a DIY approach. The hidden cost of off is called phantom load or vampire power. This is the electricity electronics consume while off or in standby. This vampire power accounts for 5% to 10% of typical residential electricity bills, equating to roughly $19 billion wasted annually in the U.S. Your DIY audit toolkit includes essential tools for finding energy vampires and drafts. You'll need a plug-in meter, an incense stick, and a room-by-room checklist. Step 1 is checking for air leaks. Air leaks are the primary source of thermal energy loss. Use a lit incense stick around window frames and look for smoke movement indicating a draft. Seal these leaks with weather stripping or caulk. Step 2 focuses on lighting and appliances. Replace old incandescent bulbs with LEDs. Check your water heater temperature, aiming for 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Inspect HVAC filters and look for the Energy Star logo on older appliances. Common vampire loads include entertainment devices like game consoles in standby, desktop computers in sleep mode, microwaves, and always-on Wi-Fi routers. These can draw between 3 and 15 watts each. To be sure of the phantom load, measure it using a plug-in energy monitor. To calculate the annual cost of a standby device, use this formula, factoring in the standby wattage and your local kWh rate. The annual cost of vampire energy can add up. For example, a home theater system can cost around $45, a gaming console $32, a home office setup $24, and kitchen appliances $12 per year, based on a 14-cents kWh rate. The financial impact is significant. A comprehensive audit can result in an average bill reduction of 10%, saving the average homeowner between $100 and $200 per year. Most interventions pay for themselves within the first 6 months. Here is a 3-day action plan. Day 1, audit, performing a room-by-room inspection. Day 2, execute, sealing drafts and installing LED bulbs and smart power strips. Day 3, monitor, reviewing your utility dashboard to see the immediate drop in baseline usage. It's time to kill the vampires and stop the drain on your energy bill. Start your audit today using the guidance provided in this video.